Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 16, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come the cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. And 9 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. We can confirm 9 also here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, and 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column G, column J, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 1st grade and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. Column F, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. Column C, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 10th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 3rd row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Column I, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column J, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.